How to fix the CapCut background color when adding image. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add a background color or change the background while adding an image on CapCut, here's the process. Launch your CapCut, tap on new project and select the video or the image in which you want to add the background. First and foremost, you can change the aspect ratio as per your choice, or you can leave it in the original, and then you can use your two fingers to pinch in or pinch out the photo or the video as per your desired way. Once that is done, scroll to the left side and you will see a background image. Tap on background option and first of all, you can change the color of the background. Select the color of your choice and then tap on the tick button on the bottom right. For the next one, you can select image and select from all the images that is available to you by the CapCut. Third is you can blur the background image as well. And for the fourth option, you'll have to tap on brand backgrounds, but for which you'll have to sign in. After that, you must be able to use it as well. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.